JD, what are you eating?
Chocolate.
Chocolate lolly? Is it yummy? Yeah. Is chocolate scrumptious?
Yeah. Chocolate scrumptious.
Let me see the chocolate in your mouth. Oh, thank you. What's in the middle of that chocolate lollipop? What's inside? Cake? That's a chocolate cake pop. Yeah, cake? Mmm. Uh-oh, we dropped some. Mommy took a bite too. Jade, what did you do today? Where'd you go today?
Yoga.
Yoga? Who'd you see at yoga?
Elsie.
Wait, finish your
Elsie.
Elsie? And who else?
Ginger.
And what did you do in yoga today? Were you an airplane? Yeah. Can you show me how you were an airplane? And did you get a foot massage? Did she put lotion on your feet? And what else did you do? Did you do a backflip? You did a backflip, right? What?
Elsie.
Backflip with Elsie of chocolate pouring out of your mouth.
Ginger.
Oh, backflip with Ginger too. And did we roll on the floor? Did you roll? Right? We rolled all over the floor. Jumps. We jumped too. It was fun, right? Okay, say bye-bye. Namaste.
Namaste.